Is Slimcrafter.com just another trendy-looking website trying to cash in on the booming kitchen gadget market, or is there something more questionable going on behind the scenes? In this video, we take a deeper look into what Slimcrafter really is, and the results may surprise you. At first glance, Slimcrafter appears to be a modern, well-organized online store selling everything from sushi making, kits and vegetable slicers to other random kitchen and household tools. The flashy product images, catchy deals, and tempting discounts can easily convince someone to make a quick purchase. However, once you look past the polished front, serious concerns begin to emerge. Numerous customers have complained about payment-related issues, including transactions failing at checkout or being charged multiple times without any confirmation of their orders. Some even received bank fraud alerts shortly after placing an order, raising questions about the site's payment gateway and security protocols. Adding to the frustration, the customer support is either completely silent or responds with generic, unhelpful replies, leaving buyers in the dark about their purchases. On top of that, a closer inspection of their website reveals that many of the product photos are copied from other well-known websites, which strongly suggests that Slimcrafter lacks originality and may not even be fulfilling orders themselves. Even more suspicious are the bold claims of being clinically proven and expert-approved without any actual evidence or credible sources to support those statements. This is especially problematic for customers who rely on health-related or kitchen safety assurances. Furthermore, the website itself is very new. It was only registered in August 2024, so there's no solid track record or customer base to rely on for genuine feedback. It's still unclear whether Slimcrafter is simply a disorganized startup or something closer to a drop-shipping scam operation. This review isn't about blindly labeling it as a scam or hyping it as a legit store. It's about highlighting the real risks and red flags based on the experiences of people who've already taken the risk. So before you make a purchase based on flashy marketing or limited time offers, be sure to watch this video till the end. You might end up saving your money and a whole lot of stress.